how to reset your Starbucks password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forget your Starbucks password, no worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it quickly and get back to ordering your favorites. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the sign in button which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, you simply have to enter your email address first, and here to reset your password, just tap on forget password button. And after that, you'll be prompted to the password resetting page. Now here you simply have to enter your email address at the text bar, and after that you can simply tap on reset password button. And after that you can simply check in your email. And now here, there you can see the reset password link which is sent by the Starbucks. So here you can simply tap on password reset, and after that it will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. So here you can simply tap on password field and create a new password for your account. And after that you can just tap on save password, and with that your password has been updated. Now here, if you go back to the Starbucks app, there you can log in with the new password, and that's it. That's how you can reset the password on the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.